Welcome to our food truck festival. Hope you're hungry because we're about to open our food trucks.
Yep, we're all going to be making some of our favorite foods for the festival. We have 4 trucks here, each one with different delicious treats. Will you help us get all the food ready for our friends?
Awesome! Then let's get cooking. Ow!
Click on a food truck to start making
Paw Patrol's Pawsome Taco Truck. Paw Patrol's Pawsome Taco Truck.
Hey, Zach, I know you're always hungry. What can I get you? It looks like our friend wants 1 taco. Click the next button to start cooking. Next. We need to help Chase, Marshall, and Mr. Porter make tacos. First, let's help shred some cheese. Move your mouse across the screen to help. Nice work!
Awesome job shredding. Those taco shells smell perfect.
Next, help us choose tofu, beef, chicken, or turkey to put in our taco shell. Click on what you want to add, then click again on your taco to place it.
Chicken, that looks good. Turkey. Turkey, that looks puptastic. Beef.
That looks delicious.
Tofu. Tofu.
Done. Now let's add the taco toppings. Click on what you want to add, then click again on your taco to place it.
Lettuce. That looks good. Tomatoes. Avocados. Cheese. Tasty. Beans. Salsa.
Done. Terrific taco, Umi friend. Now let's serve it up.
That is one tasty-looking taco.
Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them.
Awesome work. Our friend is fed. Enjoy the rest of the festival.
Hey, Dima, what would you like to eat? It looks like our friend wants 2 tacos. Click the next button to start cooking. Next. We need to...
Awesome job shredding. Those taco shells smell perfect.
Next, help us choose tofu, beef, chicken, or turkey.
Tofu. Beef. Chicken.
That looks delicious. Done. Now
That looks puptastic. That looks puptastic. Lettuce. Cheese. Salsa. Lettuce.
Done. Terrific taco, Umi friend. Now let's serve it up.
That is one tasty-looking taco.
Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them.
We're on a roll. Now let's make our hungry friend another.
Click the next button to start cooking. Food trucks.
of our friends are full, and some are full of more food orders. Let's keep serving up the awesome. Bubble Guppy's Fantastic Yogurt.
Hey, Una, what's your order? It looks like our friend wants 1 yogurt. Click the next button to start cooking. Next.
We need to help Molly, Gil, and Mr. Grouper make yummy yogurt. First, let's pour out some yogurt. Click on the screen.
Delicious and nutritious. Great work.
Let's help Mr. Grouper safely cut the fruit. Move your mouse across the screen to help.
Delicious and nutritious.
Move your mouse across the screen to help Mr. Grouper cut the fruit. Move your mouse across the screen to help Mr. Grouper cut the fruit.
Thank you for helping.
Add the toppings you want on the yogurt.
Strawberries, blueberries, delicious and nutritious. Looks good enough to eat. Delicious and nutritious. Kiwis, looks good enough to eat. Blueberries, delicious and nutritious.
It's ready to serve.
That yogurt looks yummy. Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them. Food trucks.
Awesome work. Our friend is fed. Enjoy the rest of the festival.
Food trucks.
Shimmer and shine's salad's divine. Ahoy, Captain Turbot. Hope you brought your appetite.
It looks like our friend wants 2 salads. Click the next button to start cooking. Next. We need to help
That's some rough ripping.
Nice work! Now let's help Shimmer and Shine wash and dry the lettuce in the salad spinner. Click on the salad to spin it.
Looks good enough to eat.
Great work, Umi friend. Add the ingredients you want in your salad. Click on what you want to add. Then click again on your salad to add.
Yummy! Onions. Carrots. Tomatoes. Yummy! Dressing. Croutons. What a super salad! Yummy! Cucumbers. Onions. Cucumbers. Croutons. Carrots. Cucumbers. Yummy! Dressing. What a super salad! What a super salad!
A sensational salad, Umi friend! Super salad, Umi friend! Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them.
make our hungry friend another.
Click the next button to start cooking.
Wow! Team Umizumi's Umirific sandwiches.
Hey, Dima, what would you like to eat? It looks like our friend wants 2 sandwiches. Click the next button to start cooking. Next!
Let's help Millie, Gio, and Bot make some delicious sandwiches. First, Bot will help us safely slice the veggies. Move your mouse.
Excellent!
Move your mouse across the screen to help Bot cut the vegetables. Move your mouse across the screen to help Bot cut the vegetables.
Umirific! Thank you, Umi friend.
Add the ingredients you want on the sandwich. Click on what you want to add, then click again on your sandwich to add.
Excellent! Lettuce. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Tomatoes. I want that in my belly belly. Turkey. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Lettuce. Done. Now this sandwich is ready to serve.
What a spectacular sandwich!
Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them.
Way to go! Now let's make our hungry friend another.
Click the next button to start cooking. Next.
Move your mouse across the screen to help Bot cut the vegetables. Move your mouse across the screen to help Bot cut the vegetables.
Umirific!
Awesome! Now let's...
Thank you, Umi friend.
Add the ingredients you...
Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Egg salad. Lettuce. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Turkey. Tomatoes. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Pickles. Lettuce. Excellent. Turkey. Woohoo! I want that in my belly belly. Egg salad. Done.
That's a possum sandwich. Ow! What a spectacular sandwich!
Click on the food, then click again on our friend to serve it to them.
It looks like she really liked her food. Nice work! Hey, Ryder, what can I get you to save your day today?
It looks like our friend wants
Food trucks.
one sandwich. Click the
Food
next
trucks.
button to start cooking. Amazing job, Umi friend. We made food for our friends from each food truck and made this the best food truck festival ever. Choose another truck to keep the party going. Woohoo!
Bubble Guppy's fantastic yogurt.
Click on a food truck to keep
Paw Patrol's Pawsome taco truck.